The video opens with the Trench family JP, Rayssa, sad, and the kids celebrating the milestone of securing a new dream property in Ecuador after nearly 2 years of work. And they dive into giving a full tour of the beachside mansion, introducing the space with a panoramic beach view and guiding viewers through the formal living areas, a guest bathroom, and a dedicated kids clubhouse with a balcony, desks, and a growing collection of rooms tailored for family life. The tour includes a glimpse of their grandmother who's visiting, and the family's playful interactions light up the spaces as the kids show off a loft-style chill area, a hammock, and a series of cozy nooks designed for gathering and play. As they explore the downstairs and outdoor spaces, the family highlights the expansive backyard that features multiple lounge zones, a ping pong table, a pool table, and a dramatic pool with a jacuzzi, all while noting ongoing furnishing updates and the reality that the project has been a work in progress for years. The video wraps with plans to grab breakfast before heading out on the water, as the kids eagerly anticipate jet ski adventures, and the family reinforces their belief in pursuing dreams and maintaining a positive mindset as they prepare to continue the day's activities. The scene ends with preparations for the jet skis and the anticipation of what the next segment will bring. As the tour continues, Kais takes the lead on the jet ski again, with encouraging shouts from the rest of the crew as JP steadies the camera, capturing every exhilarating wipe of the wake. The kids' mix of nerves and exhilaration is infectious, with jokes about sharks bouncing around the boat as they swirl along the coastline. Though the family laughs off the idea and keeps their eyes on the horizon and the pristine water below. The chatter shifts to the beauty around them, the endless blue, the sunlit waves, and the sense that this is more than just a vacation. It's the realization of a long-held dream of living by the ocean in a home they now call their own. The conversation drifts between rides, speed, and the playful competition of who can push the machine just a bit further, all while keeping the safety reminders light and affectionate. Ellie improvises a sand castle, and the kids experiment with digging holes, building walls, and shaping a little seaside home. They move between water play and beach exploration, the sun warming their skin as the family winds down the outdoor adventure with a quick dip to cool off and a moment to simply soak in the view of the house's back facade against the sprawling coastline. As the sun plasters the horizon with warm hues, the camera finally lowers, and the family leans into the moment, with the parents signaling a pause to enjoy time with the kids. The clip ends with the promise of more moments to come, as the Trench family expresses gratitude for this new chapter and signs off from Ecuador's sparkling shores.